Hey, what's up guys? Hope everybody's doing well and having a great day. In this video, we're going up to the sun. You're going to see something on the left-hand side of the sun in a SDO sun satellite image that occurred yesterday. We're going to the International Space Station. I received video footage sent in by Max B of what at first looked like a light moving underneath the International Space Station until I got to looking at it a little closer, and I noticed that this thing had what appeared to be moving wings. Unbelievable video footage you're about to see here in just a moment. Also in this video, I've got a brand new picture slideshow, new sky phenomena photos sent in from all around the world. But first, here at the website, quick look at the Schumann resonance. You can see a little bit of background noise in the Schumann, and that background noise could increase in the coming days as we have multiple active regions on the Earth-facing side of the sun, turning more and more directly towards planet Earth in the coming days. Looking at possible incoming CMEs over here at the Space Weather Prediction Center, there are none right now, but that could change at a moment's notice as we've got the Earth-facing side of the sun once again starting to become more and more active. Hopping over to the Yellowstone supervolcano caldera, looking at the seismographs that monitor the mighty supervolcano. We have two unusual seismographs here with unusual activity, what look like moderate earthquake activity over here at Lake Butte and Little West Thumb. Both of these seismographs are positioned at the southeastern part of Yellowstone Lake, and those are localized earthquake signatures. They are not from a larger earthquake somewhere around the world. You can see most of the other seismographs look pretty typical. This is what we see now on a day-to-day basis, a little bit of magma intrusion, and at times, not every day, we'll see some earthquake activity. But those two signatures right there are kind of rare, and again, they're located at the southeast part of Yellowstone Lake. I want to take you guys now up to the sun. We're going to look at an image, a still image from a video loop of the sun from January 25th of 2022. It's on the spacecraft known as the SDO. That would be the Solar Dynamics Observatory. It observes the sun from back here at the Earth. Watch what looks like a winged craft near the sun. You'll see it over on the left-hand side. I am going to slow down and zoom in right there. I'm going to slow down, zoom in, take a much closer look at this object, whatever it may be, that appears very briefly in this video loop. Once I saw it, I saved it and zoomed in to take a closer look because I look at this every day, and I have for years, many, many years. I've never seen anything like that, and it didn't appear to originate from the surface of the sun, as you'll clearly see in these enhanced versions of the same video that I just showed you. Look at that. There was something there. I don't know if that was the Parker Solar Probe. It's the only satellite that I know of, sun satellite, that actually goes anywhere near the sun. But that appears to be pretty good size, whatever it may be. And it does appear to have equal wings coming down from the bright spot in the center right there. Here it's inverted. Light is dark and dark is light. But if you look at the bright spot there in the center, going this direction and that direction, looks like it forms a V in the proximity of the sun. Like I said, I've never seen that before. It doesn't necessarily look natural. We see coronal mass ejections come off of the surface of the sun all the time, pretty much on a daily basis, and they don't look like they're of intelligent origins, and they look more natural, like a big plume or a cloud coming off of the surface of the sun, to where this object here, whatever it may be, does look like it's a possible intelligent origins. This next object is definitely of intelligent origins. Something mysterious comes very close to the International Space Station. We see these a lot. Mary Hall does an excellent job of finding things that are in the view of the ISS live feed. This thing here appears to have flapping wings. I know that sounds strange. It's hard to even say that, but as you'll see in this video, that's exactly what it looks like. It's from December 15th of 2021. Watch over here from the upper right, coming down to the lower left. It's difficult to tell how close it is. I'm sure it's a pretty good ways away. When I first saw it, I just noticed the white light. When I took a closer look at it, like we're going to do now, I zoom in, I slow down, and I'm going to leave this entirely up to you. What do you see? I've had other people look at this before I've shared it with you guys, and I didn't say a word, and they said, why does it look like that thing has flapping wings? And I said, that's the question that I had too. So they noticed it on their own, and I know that based off of, what we understand about space, that this is impossible. But that looks like some sort of a winged creature flying in space? It's hard to even say. So again, form your own conclusions. That's a video from the International Space Station of yet another object in the proximity, or at least in the field of view, of the ISS live feed. And here recently, we've been seeing this quite often, this type of activity, at least with regard to white lights. Not necessarily objects with moving parts in the field of view of the ISS live feed. And that clearly has moving parts. Whether they're wings or not, I don't know. Let's put it this way. Let me rephrase it. It has the personality of a bird that we would see in the sky down here on Earth. Both the right and left sides of this thing appear to be moving in unison. They appear to be the same length with each other, just like a bird's wings. But whatever that is, again, I don't claim to know. I'm just going based off of what we see and what we have to work with. And I've never had one look like this. They're always single points of light that are generally white. Some are bigger than others, and this does have what looks like a single point of light. Looks like something white in the center, but on both sides, you have moving parts. You guys ever see anything like that? What could that be? We just saw something up near the sun that I've never seen before that looks like a V-shaped craft in the proximity of the sun. Here I'm going to go fast forward, and you can see the moving parts of this object, whatever it may be. See right there? See what looks like a flapping motion? It is what it is, guys, but whatever it truly is, I don't know. We can clearly say there was an object with some sort of moving parts, moving components in the field of view of the International Space Station. Video footage shared by Max B. Once again, this was from December 15th of 2021. A little over a month ago, I spent a lot of time working on that video, doing these little enhancements, trying to pull forward those features the best I could. So that was a rare one right there, some sort of a very unique object in the International Space Station live cam field of view. Also in this video, I've got a brand new picture slideshow, new sky phenomena photos sent in from all around the world. We're going to start out down here in the southern hemisphere. You're looking at a still image of a map that measures SO2 in the atmosphere over at windy.com. This is out of Adelaide, Australia. The still image was sent in by Trini. We can't necessarily see the SO2 in the atmosphere, but she did verify the ash and smoke from the large eruption over at Tonga, and this created a spectacular sunset visible from Adelaide, Australia. And I've been getting more and more photos of unique sunsets that are being influenced by the smoke from the large eruption. This one here, however, is not from the Tonga smoke. This is just a unique photo sent in by Alex Z out of Germany. Great job. Sammy E out of Nottingham, United Kingdom. Another fiery orange sunrise or sunset. And that was the sun right there coming up over the horizon. Here it appears to have a stripe right across the upper half. Once again, photos sent in by Sammy out of the United Kingdom. And this next photo comes out of Israel on January 21st of 2021. And what they noticed was what looked like two ships in the daytime sky. See those clouds right there, how they look identical? They don't necessarily look natural like the other clouds do. Photo here sent in by Chris out of Colorado, looking way off in the distance. You can see a very smooth lenticular cloud that has a ship-like shape to it. Teresa T, not sure of the location, happened to notice a very long line in the daytime sky. Mary Hall from the ISS noticed a long line in the sky looking down from 250 miles above the Earth. It's not the same line. That was a different day and a different location, but you can see a very long straight line spanning probably 200 or 300 miles. And then she happened to notice yet another very unique opening in the clouds. This would be on the daytime side of the Earth, where it almost looked like something was occupying that part of the sky as the space station was flying over. Marilyn out of Alberta, Canada. Yet another fiery orange sunset, more than likely influenced by the Tonga eruption. Great job, guys. Keep the photos coming. If you have any photos you'd like to share, you can send those to reports at MrMBB333.com. All of the photos end up here at the Sky Phenomena Photo Gallery at the website. Sometimes I'll use them on the homepage of the website you see right here. I update this photo here once every 24 hours. Thanks for watching. Have a super day, and be safe out there.